Well, I'm a mature student and I've had a lot of different jobs since actually finishing my degree, and it was a sort of moment in my life where I decided I wanted to make a change and do something that would give me a personal challenge and something that would actually use all that information that I learned at university. One of my particular concerns was how would I find it getting back into sort of academic life again, like being told how to follow a timetable and writing essays and assignments. For me, the staff played a big part in making me feel very comfortable and knowing that they were very approachable in terms of questions, which I had lots at the very beginning. So it took a couple of weeks to settle in, but they were fantastic, and it didn't take long at all before I was feeling quite comfortable with everything. We're working in a lab which has got all new facilities, and we've got a fantastic technician. We do some brilliant experiments. The lab side of things for the science part of the PGCE is fantastic, and then the library facilities, computers, printers, everything is just on hand. You don't have to worry about anything. We start off with the first 6 weeks in September, starting in September, are spent here at the university, where they introduce you to the course and you start on your professional studies module, which is something that leads up to the major dissertation of the course, which is the open study, which is, I think, due in April of the academic year. Then following the 6 weeks, you get sent to your first school placement, which the tutors are very accommodating with trying to find somewhere that's going to suit you in terms of, for me, for example, they tried to make sure it was somewhere I could get to quite easily from where I live. Then from October up until Christmas, you spend in your first school placement. And then you have your Christmas break, and then we're back in university now for 4 weeks in January before going to our second school placement, which is the longer of the two placements, where we're teaching at a higher level again, where we'll spend from February until June. And then the final 2 weeks of the course are spent back in university, where we're tying up all the paperwork and everything, and that's it. Fantastic. A bit scary at first, but one of the best things I've ever done in my life in terms of the challenge that it possessed, and the help, the support that the teaching staff give to you, and the reward that you get from actually realising at the end of a class that the information that those pupils are walking out the door with is because of you. So it's witnessing learning at a level where you know you're responsible for it, which is amazingly rewarding in itself.
And what's been your favourite aspect of the course so far?
Definitely doing practical experiments with pupils in school. It's absolutely fantastic. It's just great fun. Don't hesitate, just do it. It's absolutely brilliant. You won't regret it. The time flies past so fast, you just won't know where it's gone. And it's brilliant, and I have no regrets at all. I would do it all over again.